Hello, my name is Kalvin Pham, and I'll be teaching you how to understand reciprocal trig ratios. The first step to understanding the first three basic ratios is understanding SOHCAHTOA. SO stands for sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, CA stands for cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse, and TOA stands for tan equals opposite over adjacent. The next step is using reciprocal to find cosecant, secant, and cotangent. First is cosecant, which is the reciprocal of sine. Cosecant equals hypotenuse over opposite. After is secant, which is the opposite of cosine. And secant equals hypotenuse over adjacent. After that is cotangent, which is the opposite of tangent, and cotangent equals adjacent over opposite. Another way to explain reciprocal is switching the numerator and the denominator to get cosecant, secant, and cotangent. If you switch the numerators and denominators, that would result in these formulas, which are the reciprocals of sine, cosine, and tangent. For example 1, we must find all the 6 trigonometric ratios for angle x. First, we must determine the opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. For angle x, the opposite is 12, the adjacent is 9, and the hypotenuse is 15. Next, we must find sine, which is opposite over hypotenuse, which is 12 over 15. Then we apply the reciprocal, which is 15 over 12, to find cosecant. Next, we find cosine, which is 9 over 15. And then apply reciprocal to this, which is 15 over 9, is secant. Next, we find tangent, which is opposite over adjacent. In this triangle, the opposite is 12 and the adjacent is 9, which means tangent is 12 over 9. We apply reciprocal to this, which is cotangent. And cotangent is equal to 9 over 12. And these are the 6. All in all, to find reciprocal trig ratios, we must remember SOHCAHTOA to find the 3 basic ratios, and then apply reciprocal to find cosecant, secant, and tangent. This is how you find the 6 trigonometric ratios. Thank you.